Okay, today let's fly some whoops. I've got the Nimble 65 out. I haven't flown that since I was in the UK. I've only been flying the Meteor 75 and the Air 65, both from BetaFPV. So the Nimble 65 is from sub 250. So this should be interesting here. Let's use this post. This magnet on that camera is so useful. Like I say, let's go with the Nimble 65 to start with. Quite a bit of wind, that's the only thing. So I haven't used this little guy for a while. Oh, actually the camera's really loose, isn't it? And it's cracked, I think. So we've got a little bit of a crack on the top of the camera. So it'll be interesting to see how it flies and what it looks like. Okay, so the Nimble 65 just isn't connecting. I don't think I changed the channel on it, but maybe I have changed the channel since, so it's not connecting to the goggles. I'm not going to mess around. I'm just going to go with the 75 first, play with that. It's probably better for the conditions anyway, but let's see if we can take off on this crazy slide. Yes. How cool is that? That works really well. Okay, and then I'll see if I can disarm on the slide and then fly off at the bottom. Okay, so let's see. So nice and slow. Turn it around there. Oh, come on. I'll blame the wind. Disarm, slide down, arm. Let's try that again. So here. No. Yeah, I don't know if I can arm in time before it hits the bottom. Okay, let's do some targeted landing now. So I'm going to try and land on top of the shade sail, disarm without falling off, and then arm again. And I'm also going to try, what else can I land on? Maybe one on top of the posts over there. That might be a bit more tricky. But let's try that to start with. So shade sail, let's put you on here so you can see sticks and hopefully the shade sail as well. So let's go over here. You should be able to see it. Okay. So up the slide. You can see the wind. Okay, there's the shade sail. Got a fly on my nose. So I wanted you to see the sticks as well. Okay, that's not going to work. Let's flip it. That's what I wish the Neo had. Okay, a little bit slower. Okay, we're on. So we're on the shade sail. Now we're off. Should we trace the truck? No, it's too far. Okay. Let's see what else we can land on. I think that's going to be too tricky to try and land on a post there. Yeah. Maybe one of these posts. Okay, let's go. So we've got one closer to me. Maybe one of these. There we go. We got it. Alright, that's a good fun little play. Pete didn't get the Nimble 65 to work, but I do think it's actually a bit windy for that. So let me know if you have any questions, let me know if you have any requests, let me know if you have any advice, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.